Yep, day two.
Guys, this is day
The
three
bat
of the
being fixed.
walk, the handyman. Okay, it's nearly done. At this stage, the bat has been put down, laid down. Okay, all the pipes and the floors, the what do you call it? The plywood has been laid properly. Okay, so right now it's almost at this end stage. So here the bat has been placed down to cross check again if it's going to be leaking as usual, but at the moment it has not started. So this water is going to sit for a numbers of hours to see if there's still going to be any leakage disturbances. This time around, they really want to make sure that it doesn't happen again because it's been consuming time, front and back, and they not get it done. Like in fact, they've done
Yep.
really their best. Okay, so there has been covered, and the bat done. The wall has been fixed as usual. Okay, there you're gonna have it right. So the finishing touches are going to come later because right now, since they've proven that the water is not leaking anymore, the bath is filled with water and it's not getting out, so that's 100% a pass mark. So the next stage now is for the electrician to come and then fix the electric shower on the wall, because as you can see, these children, they really don't want to. They try to, if in fact me and the workers, they make sure they put all their effort to make sure that bathroom is fixed, the shower is ready, and everything is intact before we start using. So to God be the glory, is nearly done. Today is the third day, so fingers crossed the whole thing is going to be completed. Now they're going to be waiting for the electrician to come. They've already been booked to come and make sure the electric shower is placed on the wall and switch it on after testing it. It's been done. So everything will be fixed at this stage. The down below there, the bath has been covered nicely. Look at that, so beautiful. Has been covered. They sealed the floor. Yes, it was a perfect job that was done there. It's amazing. I like it. This is 10 over 10. Job has been done. I really like the how they place it this time around. Yeah, I'm not sure the water is going to be coming out ever, ever again. Bye bye to water coming out from the bath. I say bye bye. It's not coming back anymore. Bye bye. Go. Make you go. Right? It's not be so easy. Waking up and then 8 o'clock start sharp, walking in the house. They tried as well. It's not easy. So to God be the glory, it's been done. I like the color, and I like the little design at the side. Okay, and look at that straight line that has been placed on the floor. So everything is done. So ready for them to come and have a shower. These kids, all these big kids, I'm still calling kids. So they're gonna have the shower. So even for myself, it's not easy. I don't know how people do it. No shower. How not did they do it, my people? How? How somebody no bath a day, 2 days? How? If I do not try you. So it's ready now. In any moment from now, the electrician is gonna come. If it's here, it is. It's been fixed. The electric shower has been mounted on the wall, nicely done. Very sharp. It's a high voltage electric machine. To God be the glory. Everything is okay. The third day, everything in the bathroom, the shower is working perfectly. So we can now use it to shower ourselves. No fear that the water is going to be coming out from somewhere, from God knows where, and now where it's going to be. No, 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 nothing like that anymore. I say bye bye to leaking water. No more. Done. Done. When I say done, it's been done and dusted. Never again. They did a great job amazingly. I appreciate their job. I appreciate their work. They were so kind. And then, yeah, that's all. I promise I'll take everyone along. So the third day, the shower has been fixed. So other jobs that are left to be done, it's not in the bathroom. It is somewhere in the house, the hallway, the ceiling, and the hallway. So that one is going to come later, and I will take everyone along. Thank you so much. If you've been following me on my channel, please do feel free to like this video, share, and be polite to put a nice comment for me. Thank you so much. If you have not followed my channel at this moment, what are you waiting for? Follow my channel. Follow my channel, like and share. Feel free to share my videos. Feel free to comment. Okay? So when you subscribe, put on the notification button that whenever I'm on live, you're gonna be notified. And then we come. Sometimes we have a gist time. Okay? I talk about everything. Uh this is what I do, all right? My life in the UK. So I take everybody along, right? So we all learn from each other. I learn from you, you learn from me. So this is what I've done today. And the third day, this bathroom came to life, right, guys? So whatever you do in your house, just be patient. Patience is the key. Grandma didn't do anything. Just be patient. Be patient and hand over things to God. Everything's gonna be okay when you are very, very positive in your mind, because it's not everything you're gonna change. You can't change some things. You can't change them by your power. You just have to wait. You just have to be patient.
Thank you so
Like my
much.
video, share.
Follow
I
my
love you
video,
guys
like
so
and
much.
share.
Bye
Thank you so much.
bye.